Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I got my drone out here. I've been out doing some drone videos, a couple different ones for you guys. The other day, we went to the Nature Refugee Center and I flew around a little bit there, but that's not what this video is about. This video is an updated video to the tornado damage in North Dallas that happened a couple weeks ago. I went back to the same exact park and put my drone back up. So it's kind of an update video. It's kind of the same area, but you guys can see what it looks like 2 weeks after it hit. So the last video is the next morning after it hit, and this video is today, the 2nd or 3rd of November. It's about 2 weeks after it hit, and there's a lot of cleanups been done. All the roads are open and everything, as you guys can see. But there's still a heck of a lot of damage. I wished I could help. If I could get you guys' support here on YouTube and I had a bigger following, I could go over there. I have trailers and trucks, and I could go over there and help everybody get all the debris off their curb. And instead of just filling up the landfill with it, I can use it for firewood. And I know some lower income people that could sell it for a little bit and make a little money for themselves. And instead of just throwing all that wood and stuff in the landfill, we turn it into firewood and give people a good discount, a good deal on it for their fireplaces around here. People need firewood and make a little money on it for some people that are lower income. But I need you guys' support here on YouTube to be able to do stuff like that, because right now my job takes all my time just to stay afloat. But anyway, this video is going to be an updated drone video of the tornado that hit Dallas 2 weeks after. So it's an update for you guys to the same area, and you guys can see what it looks like a couple weeks after a lot of the work's been done and cleanup, and all the debris on people's curbs, and the streets are open. There's still a ton of damage, guys, a ton of damage. You guys are about to see it. Hey, how's it going? So what'd you guys think about that? That was a pretty good flight. I like doing those kind of videos, and I wished I was more capable and I had a bigger following so I could, when I would go to do those kind of videos, I could help people while I'm there. You know, go, even if it's just a couple yards, go clean up all the debris in their yard and see if they need any money or any tarps for their roofs or any help with anything. And just check on people, but I'm not in any position to be able to do stuff like that right now. But if you guys will smash that like button, share these videos, and get everybody you know to subscribe to me, I'll be there in no time. And I promise you guys, if I succeed at doing this, or when I succeed at doing this, I'll use the power of having you guys behind me and being a star on YouTube and all that for good. I promise to use it for good, to help people and to have fun and bring joy to people's lives. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you leave me a like if you appreciated the video. I know you probably didn't enjoy it, but it gives people an idea of what happened there and how much help them people need and the prayers that they need. That's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to leave me a like, and I'll see you on the next